Uh, Hello, welcome to Tea Time, and today I'm just playing Genshin back because I couldn't think of anything else to do. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, but
Add Ast.
Catherine is so silly. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I will collect these things, and then let me choose a special person. A so special person. Ooh. This is a so special person. Aww. Okay. We're gonna level this so special person up.
Where are we headed this time?
I actually have no idea what boss they fight, or what boss I have to fight for him. All I know is this staff right here looks so good on him. Like it just matches him.
Fire it up!
Sorry about my sniffles. Oh no. Okay, off to Inazuma. I needed to go there anyway. Hey, wrong place.
Inazuma.
I love Inazuma. Sometimes it makes me want to jump off a cliff, but that's okay because it's Inazuma. Yo, let's go. Oh. I was about to say I think they grow in water, but I'm not sure. And I found it, so it does grow in water. Yahoo! I was gonna do like something for Nubilet, but then I completely leveled him up, so. What is after me? I don't feel like it. Actually, I think I need something. Where did these people come from, and why did I switch over to him?
Shine down.
That's not nice, guys. That's not nice. This isn't nice.
Don't get too close!
This isn't nice, guys.
What's that for? I got you.
Inazuma shines eternal.
Yes. And it'll just drown to death. Oh yeah. This is my favorite part. When it drowns. It drowned. Yes. Ooh, where is that? Okay, yeah, it's up in the sky. I have a bad experience with things that go in the sky, okay? It's not safe. You got to be joking me right now. Get away, man. Stop, son. Oh.
Absurd.
Absurd. My berries. Berries and cream. I love this music. What was that? Do I have enough of these now? What? Wasn't that what I was supposed to be getting? What was I grabbing? I'm so smart. I'm so smart. I hate myself. Anyways. Let's go to
Really did spin 'em.
Shut, son. Oh, there it is. Oh, leave me alone, son. I have, like, such a bad cold. What? Oh. I'm just stupid. I actually have no idea where I get these. This is, Yahoo! Of course, there's another star, but I can't get it because, like, I don't know how to get there. Hey, get back here! Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it went under. It went under. Okay, I'm gonna switch. Her. For right now, anyway. Because I need somebody who can give me rocks.
I'm taking the stage.
Yeah. Yahoo. Yahoo. So, it says fungus, so I'm assuming that it grows on, like, walls or something. What was that ambiance in my earlobe? What is this? It's not enough. Not enough at all. The treasure that brother left me is in those conches, but they've all been scattered. They've been scattered, They've been scattered all over. It's brother's treasures. I can't leave yet. No. Okay. I'm such a good quest person. I'm busy right now. Sorry, man. You're gonna have to stay here for longer. I need my fungi. Oh, wait. I got an achievement for that. Encounter the illusion of something ancient past. Am I just not looking hard enough? Where do I find this? I'm confuzzled. Crab. Ooh, woohoo! Yahoo! 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 Ooh, whoa! Is that a common chest, guys?
There is no escape.
Silence!
Whoa! I didn't know that actually made noise. Die!
Justice is blindsided.
Oh, my Wi-Fi!
Let the mighty be humbled.
Why does my Wi-Fi do this to me? This isn't fair. Stop.
Settle down.
And reconnecting in like 20 minutes. Yeah. And as soon as it brings me back, it's gonna kill Neuvillette. Neuvillette.
Bow your head. Justice is blindsided.
Guys.
An oversight on my part.
There's enough of me to go around.
Silence fills the air.
Oh yeah, great idea. Hit the Die, son. Man, I suck.
Don't get too close.
Was it worth
Illusion
it?
shattered.
Oh, that. Oh, never mind.
Here's backup.
Oh my gosh. Which one do I have enough of? Oh yeah.
Silence.
Oh. That's mine now. And this is mine now.
Abandoned property belongs to whoever finds it first.
Oh yeah?
So, it's legally yours.
Thanks, man. I needed that. So I wonder if it's the same if I come across a whole house. Cause like, can I just like have that? I need so much food. How do make jam? Oh yes, yes. What, son? Oh, I don't have enough sunsettias. Grr. Are those the funguses? No. Where are these funguses? I've searched this whole darn island. Where do I find these things? These sea funguses or something. Oh, I didn't mean to summon that. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. I was at school. Yeah. And I didn't take my medicine. And it was so silly. Because this dumb, ugly, aw kid who, like, I swear, everybody has to either be crazy or they, like, are insane. Because, like, everybody's like, like, everybody likes this kid, and it's like, how do you like him? He's so annoying, and I hate him, and I hope he gets run over. It's like Dory. A conscious. Thank you, Sonny. I don't care about those conches. I just need fungus. I bet you it's up here and I'm just stupid. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a mint. Oh, come on, man.
Check this out.
Power cord. Amp it up.
Amp it up.
There is no escape.
Bow your head.
Die. Oh, yeah. Anyways, time to find some fungus. I shouldn't have gasped so hard. Gasps. More fungus? Yes, yes. Skibbity bop. Yummy, yummy. I love eating fungus. Oh, I need this over here. Whole reason I got this girl out. Climb, son. Heck, I might as well get this too. With how happy I am that I found my fungus. Sigh. Fungus is so tasty. Yum, yum, yum. I'd probably eat this. I'd be like so stupid. I'd be like, this looks yummy. And then eat it. And then I'd probably die because I ate the fungus. Please don't attack me. I'm on my knees and I'm begging. Because I don't want to lose you.
Shine down.
Okay. Common gist. Yummy. Yes, yes. I feel so stupid. I was searching for so long, and then it just... Ooh, what's this? What? Oh, yeah, I forgot about the new commission thing. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah, I need to see if I have enough now. Yes, yes. I need to figure out where to go from here. Ooh, wait, before I go to fight the boss, I'm only gonna fight once because I'm running out of time here. I need to go back to Mondstadt because, I don't know, Mondstadt is just like the place that I go build. I need to go here. Ooh. And I need to make red rocks. Red rocks. I need 3 red rocks, and I can only make 1. Okay. Two red rocks. Two red rocks. Wait, I'm gonna fight this one time. I'm gonna show off how good my Novelette is. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to say that though, because like I don't know if it's like Novelette, like I don't know. I'm changing team. Yes.
We'll need a strategy.
I don't remember the team I usually take with me. I know it's definitely none of these people down here. Oh, I should level Beto. I forgot I got her. My god, I couldn't breathe. Okay. I would take somebody else water, but there's not really no. Okay, I need to get on with this. I'll just take her. Let's go. I'm sorry if me skipping past every bad person I see upsets you. I don't really put it in my way to go after the peoples. Oh fuck, oh fuck. Please don't. Ah! Skibbity pop, yes, yes. No, sir.
The tides beckon.
Yes,
Justice
yes.
is blindsided.
Ooh, my Sunny almost died. Oh, oh! You're welcome. That was kind of scurry.
Silence.
Ow, son. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Well, you know. It's okay, I guess. I actually need to make sure I get it in like the first. Oh my gosh, I don't care. I need
There is
this.
no escape.
Okay, Sonny.
Now you shall
Let me
perish.
guess.
Illusion shattered.
Gosh, man. I knew that was gonna happen. I just didn't think it was gonna happen so quickly, man.
Bow your head.
La.
Be sanctified.
Okay. Yummy.
Allow me. Stand clear. Animal test 6308.
There is no escape.
Oh, come on, Sonny. Sunny, sunny boy, sunny, sunny boy, sunny, sunny boy. Anyways, I'm mentally ill. Oh yeah, you're dead. Dead meat. I basically just put out a forest fire, guys. I love putting out forest fires. Putting out forest fires is so kind of me. Yes, yes. Oh, if I really wanted to, I could just go fight whatever that thing is for her. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. I need 5 more, so that's like 3 more times, I think. Yes, 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 yes. What is today? Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, today's not Wednesday, Saturday, or Sunday. Yes, 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 yes. That was like... Whoa. I just inhaled the world. I'm gobbling this. Yummy. Okay. Oh my goodness. My new Villette is like, yes. I know. That makes so much sense. Wait, what was that? Oh, I think it was another defense. No! I didn't know I had these. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, I just realized that was a drum in the game. It sounded like people were knocking on my door and it was like really weird. What, son? What happened to my crit rate crit damage? I swear on my life, it was like 50 over like 138. What did I do? I'm sorry, son. I'm sorry. Okay. My heart. It was not 50. It was 8.1. Over 187.8. That's kind of sad. Energy recharge. Hydro damage bonus. And then 25% physical damage bonus. Oh my gosh. Before I end this video, okay? Okay. Wait, what do I have? What is this?
I have to say, my daily life is not without its inconveniences. For instance, I often find myself stepping on my robes. Snow is in fact one of water's natural self-cleansing mechanisms. But human activity tends to reduce snow's purity, so do not consume it.
Do not consume it, guys. If it's yellow, do not consume it. That's what he's saying. That is what he's saying. Look at this beautiful view. This is where I'm ending the video. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.